So, lol. Get the electric out, chef. This is a super nice ice cream machine. The only downside is that it takes a long time when it's done. But if you are on time and you calculate it, it's really an epic ice cream machine. You see, I don't use that other one a lot anymore. Lately I'm using this one. And it really works like a charm. Leroy Duvel. Now it's not necessary anymore, of course. So perfect. This can go back to his spot. I think Todd wants some backup from Daddy. I want to know if the girls like the food too, guys. Can you excuse me for 10 seconds? Yeah, that's true, TV Jake, but I didn't have a PC as well. You know, so I really started late on a PC because when my parents kind of divorced, we couldn't pay a PC when I was a kid. So I only still had a Nintendo from a friend of mine. And so I could only play on that Nintendo. Only 10 seconds, let's go. But of course then I had my own job, working, learning as a chef, and I had a wage here, so I couldn't pay for myself. I got kind of like a click with Jaya, fam. I got like a kind of click with Jaya. Sometimes she's crying a lot with other people and with Todd as well. And if I take her, she immediately stops crying. So I think that's freaking amazing, of course. Hey, Foodie Fam, what's up? The Foodie Fam is there again. The Foodie Fam is there again. The girls almost won the dessert. Hey, hello. Hello. I like the food cave. I like the food cave. Hey, 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 hey. Happy? Happy again? La 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 la. Happy again? Happy again. This morning when we woke up, early in the morning, she was smiling so much, so cute. Een beetje fles? No, I don't want that bottle, bruh. I'm full, man. I'm full. Okay, Daddy's gonna make dessert. Gaat toetje maken. And we're gonna make dessert. I'll be right back, guys and girls. No, it's so cute. She's looking the whole time to the camera and to the purple Cooler Master pillows. Much love, brother. Feel blessed with your beautiful people, man. And a little born Jaya. Thank you so much, guys. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. Let's give her to mommy. Mommy should probably finish her plate now. Then we can finish dessert and make the girls extra happy. Perfect.